The city sleeps, but something never stops. Somewhere right now, a truck is rolling down a dark highway. A pipe is being fixed under freezing rain. A nurse is holding a stranger's hand. At 3 a.m., you will never see their faces on the news. But without them, everything you love would fall apart in less than 72 hours. Tonight, we go where the cameras never go, into the hidden heart of America. 1. If these workers vanish tomorrow, imagine waking up tomorrow and the shelves are empty, not because of a storm, not because of war, just because the people who move your food simply stopped showing up. Trucks stop. Warehouses go silent. In 3 days, grocery stores run dry. Now, imagine the lights go out and they never come back on.
No refrigerator.
No heat. No hospital machines. The power grid runs on human hands, human decisions, human sacrifice. Every single hour of every single day, buses stop running. Trains go still. Millions of workers stranded. And somewhere, an ambulance is trying to reach a dying man, but the road is blocked, and there's no one left to clear it. This is not a movie. This is what happens the moment we forget these people exist. Modern America is not built on machines. It is built on backs, on hands, on tired eyes that refuse to close. These are the people AI still cannot replace. Not yet. Maybe not ever. Stay with us, because tonight we tell their story. 2. America's Midnight Heroes. While you sleep, a whole other America wakes up. Night cleaners walk into empty office towers, alone in silence, scrubbing floors that thousands will walk across tomorrow, without ever saying thank you. Somewhere, a power line snaps in a storm. An emergency repair crew is already moving, climbing into darkness, into danger, so that one family's lights come back before sunrise. They don't wait for morning. Morning is what they are fighting for. And on the highway, headlights cut through fog. An overnight delivery driver, hundreds of miles from home, missing another birthday, another bedtime story, just so a package arrives exactly when you expect it.
No applause. No cameras.
Just quiet, invisible devotion. This is the hidden shift, the one nobody claps for. While the city dreams, they carry the weight of tomorrow on their shoulders and ask for nothing in return. 3. The workers nobody notices. You turn on the tap and clean water pours out. You never think about it, but somewhere underground, water system workers are checking pipes older than their grandparents, making sure poison never reaches your glass. A storm hits, wires fall. Utility repair crews rush toward the danger everyone else is running from, hanging from poles in the wind, risking everything, so a single mother can still see her children's faces in the dark. High above a river, a bridge inspector walks along steel beams. Most of us would never dare touch, checking cracks invisible to the eye, holding the weight of every car that will ever cross. One missed detail, and disaster follows. And on the road, maintenance teams work through the night, filling cracks, fixing signs, keeping the paths beneath your wheels safe. Unseen, unnamed, unthanked. They keep the city breathing, one quiet repair at a time. 4. America's toughest dirty jobs. Beneath your city, in the dark, in the smell no one wants to imagine. Sewer maintenance workers crawl through tunnels most people would run from screaming. They do it so disease never reaches your street. At dawn, garbage collectors lift the weight of an entire neighborhood's waste. Again and again in freezing cold or burning heat. Invisible until the 1 week they don't come. And suddenly, everyone notices. And when disaster strikes, chemical spills, storm wreckage, contaminated sites, hazard cleanup crews suit up and walk directly into danger most people are told to evacuate from. They walk in, so you can walk away safe. These are the dirtiest, hardest, most dangerous jobs in America, and they're also some of the most necessary. Every single day, someone chooses to do the job, so the rest of us never have to. 5. The skilled workers behind every city, every wall that shelters you, every wire that powers your home, began in the hands of someone who mastered a craft with sweat and years of practice. Electricians walk into darkness, carrying light in their hands. solving problems no manual can fully explain. Under your sink, behind your walls, plumbers fight invisible battles. Leaks, floods, disasters waiting to happen, solved quietly before you ever notice a problem existed. Sparks fly in the cold morning air as welders fuse steel together with fire and precision, building the bones of bridges, buildings, and machines that will outlive us all. And construction workers climb higher than fear should allow, building the skyline you admire from the ground, solving real problems with real hands. This is human skill. No machine has ever truly mastered. 6. Human instinct beats AI. A door is kicked in. Smoke fills the hallway. A firefighter doesn't calculate the odds. He simply runs in, because somewhere behind that smoke, a child is crying. That is not logic. That is instinct, something no machine has ever truly felt. A police officer stands at a crossroads of chaos. A split second to decide, lives hanging in the balance. No algorithm, just years of training and raw human courage, colliding in one heartbeat. Deep in the wilderness, search and rescue teams push through storms and darkness, following instincts that cannot be coded, a feeling, a hunch, a refusal to give up on a stranger they've never met. In the highest pressure, the worst moments humanity faces, it is not data that saves lives. It is human beings trembling, afraid, but moving forward anyway. This is something AI still cannot replace. 7. The work no robot can feel. A caregiver sits beside an elderly man who no longer remembers her name. And still, she holds his hand every single day, because love does not need to be remembered to be real. In a quiet hospice room, a worker sits with someone in their final hours, not fixing, not solving, just being present, offering comfort no machine could ever fake. A special education assistant kneels beside a child the world often overlooks, patiently, gently, celebrating tiny victories most people would never even notice.
This is not a task.
This is not a function. This is compassion, something that cannot be programmed, only lived. And it is disappearing from our conversations, even as it holds our world together. 8. The heart of America's workforce. A teacher stays after the bell rings, not for pay, not for recognition, but because one student needed 5 more minutes of belief in themselves. A nurse runs on no sleep, holding together a hospital ward through chaos, whispering comfort to strangers in their most terrifying moments. A social worker walks into homes filled with pain, trying to rebuild broken families one visit at a time, carrying burdens most people could never imagine. And community workers quietly, tirelessly, stitch neighborhoods back together. One conversation, one small act of kindness at a time. These are the hands that hold America's heart beating. 9. Hidden lives behind hard jobs. Behind every uniform, there is an alarm clock ringing at 4 a.m., a family sleeping without them, a birthday missed, a dinner gone cold on the table. There are 12-hour shifts that become 14, become 16, bodies aching, eyes burning, but showing up again tomorrow, because someone has to. There are sacrifices no one applauds. A child growing up a little too fast, a marriage tested by absence, a quiet loneliness carried home every single night. And yet, there is pride, a quiet, unshakable pride, in knowing that the world kept turning today, because they refused to stop. This is the invisible cost of an essential life. 10. The human skills machines still need. Machines can calculate, but they cannot judge a frightened child's fear and know exactly how to comfort them. That is human instinct, earned through a lifetime of living. Machines can process data, but they cannot earn trust. Trust is built slowly through eye contact, through kept promises, through showing up when it matters most. Machines can generate patterns, but they cannot create with a broken heart a joyful memory, a painful loss turned into art. Creativity is born from a life fully lived, and machines can respond, but they cannot truly feel the weight of another person's pain. Emotional intelligence is not code. It is scars, empathy, and years of being human. So tonight, as the world races toward automation, remember this: Somewhere out there, right now, a worker is choosing to show up, to care, to save a stranger's life without hesitation. And until a machine can feel that, America will always need them. They are the ones AI can't replace.
Yet,